Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove rust stains from a bathtub. The easiest and most non-toxic and earth-friendly way to do it is just to grab some vinegar and baking soda. It's a simple combination that works excellent for any kind of stains in your tub. If you just make a paste like this, this is excellent for scrubbing stains in the tub, whether it be rust or limescale mildew, anything. Vinegar and baking soda is really good. Something in them really makes a chemical reaction with the stains and works really well. I would say have a toothbrush handy, one that you clean with, and scrub the stain. If you want, you can put a piece of plastic wrap over some of this paste and let it sit over the stain. That'll really cook the stain out, and you can leave the solution on your tub for days if you want. It's never going to damage your tub. It's not going to take that long, obviously, but I just use that as an example to tell you it's not harmful. It's not going to damage your tub. So just scrub it really good. You may have to let it sit, but other than that, the stain should be gone. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove rust stains from your bathtub.